Hello everyone, Sam here from CreativeTradingSystem.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week, which ended today. Today is Friday, 6:40 p.m., June 13th. Right. So this is all the trades taken by the expert advisor robot, automatic auto trading robot. And with the setup, it has to have a proper setup with 4 conditions. So you can see that this is the entry, and this is my entry. You can see buy orders right there as I move to break even. Plus, I have to have 4 conditions, and then EA automatically open the trade. So that's how the system works. So gold trade on the 9th, 160 pip from here to here, right? And then you can see on the 9th gold, the first one was there, and then it started to come down here. And this is the short entry. This was also the short entry, but somehow it didn't get open. And then this one went down for 80 pip. Not much, but yes, something. Pound Aussie from 7-minute chart is all the way down, 115 pip. And I had also the 20-minute chart on Omar's computer, Omar's account. This is also, you see this beautiful entry here for 90 pip more, the same trade. Euro yen going from here to the upside, 85 pip. This was the entry, but when it went there, and I moved my SL to break even here, and then see this right here, what happened? Boom, it got up, right? So then again, this came and I opened the trade here, and then they went up, right? So 85 pip right there. Euro yen from 7-minute chart. Some of these you see that I take the trade, and then Omar also take the trade from 7-minute chart. So I'm showing you both because there are 2 different trades. You can take the entry from 7-minute chart and or from 20-minute chart. So here EUR-USD going from 7-minute chart going up for 50 pip, and then Euro-Aussie 140 pip right from there. This was a beautiful entry as well, but if you have one entry, this EA will not open the second entry. This one entry at a time. Once the entry is closed, the trade is closed, then it will. If there is a next setup, it will open the trade. Now Euro-USD going up from here 75 pip from the 20-minute chart. You just saw the first one that was from I think a 7-minute chart. Now this one, a USD yen, you can see that on the 11th for 75 pip to the downside. Gold here, 300 pip, beautiful by the book entry, and all the way. This was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. Beautiful entries, right? And next is pound USD, beautiful entry here. It went up. And this one, go 200 box size. This is the entry right there, and then went up for 250 pip. The entry is right there. Buy order SL move to break even plus. And this is how my SL move automatically if I'm not there. If I'm there, I move it myself. But I don't have to use very seldom. But most of the time, this trading robot, it does the job automatically. But when I record the chart, what I do is that I move the SL to a little bit more, like 5 pip, 5-10 pip, away from the entry so that you can see that the sell order and the SL. That's how. And if sometimes, I move it early before even recording. Why? Because even if, sometimes what happens is that, the price goes for some reason, the news come out and then it goes and hit my SL, I at least make 5-10 pip, right? So I always move, in 30-40 pip in profit, I move my SL to at least 5 pip positive at break even plus 5, something like that, right? So this is Nasdaq 380 pip to the downside on the 12th. And then see this pound yen again going to the upside, and beautiful entry here, 130 pip to the upside. This is Euro-USD 7-minute chart going down from 70 pip only, because the 7-minute chart looks big, but the pippage are less. 20-minute chart is big, that's why they even a small chart and there are a lot of pippage. So this is how beautiful is this one here. And then on the 13th, USD yen going to the upside. You can see here, not a very perfect entry, but the thing is that if once it is the conditions are there, it will take it. First, it took this one, got knocked out, then it took this one. The first one, probably I lost maybe like 15 pip, 20 pip, and then I end up making a 105 pip. Many ask me that why I don't show my losers. It's a lot of headache, a lot of time consuming that, make the chart just to show that, oh, this is how I lost 15 pip. So my system by now, right? So whenever my entry is right there below the low is my ES. For example, this was SL, right? So this was the entry, right? So at the time of the entry, my SL is right there, which is 20 pip on a 7-minute chart. 25 pip on the 20-minute entry, 20-minute chart entry. It's 25 pip. So here, if I lose maximum, I'm going to lose 20 pip. But then the second entry covers everything. So it's not like, don't worry, even, the losers, forget about it. Now, for example, this took the entry here, right? So you can see that the price never came down here. It went in my way. Similarly, if it would have opened here, then the price would go straight without touching the SL. Similarly here. So this is the beauty about the setup, that the setup is such that it's like retracing, and then after the continuation, that's where we open the trade in the continuation. So most of the time, it just goes straight in the positive direction. That's what happens. So this is gold going up 175 pip on the 13th. And here on the 13, euro yen, 7-minute chart, this is the entry, and 90 pip right there. And this is pound yen from 7-minute chart on the 13. All yen pair went up because yen got weaker. And you know what happened on Friday? The Iran and Israel, fight started their war. So gold started to go up and the yen started to get weaker. And all yen pairs. So euro yen, this is pound yen. This is Aussie yen, 85 pip to the upside. This is CAD yen, 75 pip to the upside. See that? So I have all these indexes open as well. So when I see that index is going, yen index, if that move, all yen pair move in the same direction. So yen index start to move fast to the upside, start to get weaker. So I knew that all yen pair going to go up, and all I had to do is that put my ear there, and you see that the first entry comes, and boom, it takes the ear takes the entry. Anyway, so this is it for now. And just wanted to show you guys. And if any one of you want to get the system, learn how to do it, then go to my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, and everything is there. All right. So this is it for now. Have a very wonderful weekend.